So there's two types of implants, regular implants and then the mini implants. And the mini implants, you say, are a lot less expensive, but do they do the job? And what is the cost difference?
The mini dental implants are generally half the cost of a regular traditional implant.
Okay.
And not only that, they are very effective and they actually work. We have treatment plans and completed cases where people are functioning with mini dental implants and restorations and they just love it. With respect to the financing, if the insurance doesn't cover it or we are not able to cover the whole thing, we do have finance companies such as Lending Club and Care Credit and various few others that our staff are well versed. And what my staff can do is advocate for the patients and find a unique way to make it happen for the patient. Because every case is a different situation. And we want to be able to realize the treatment plan for the patient so that they can get the dental work and be able to function and chew and smile and get back to their life.